Dialpad Business Pricing explained what you get for your money. Dialpad Business Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Dialpad is just a standard VoIP phone. The surprising truth is, Dialpad is an AI-powered cloud communication platform that combines voice, video, messaging, and real-time transcription into one solution for modern businesses. Dialpad pricing is structured into three main plans: Standard, Pro, and Enterprise. The Standard plan includes unlimited calling in the US and Canada, SMS, and basic reporting, making it ideal for small teams. The Pro plan adds advanced analytics, integrations with CRM platforms like Salesforce, and AI features like live call coaching and transcription. Enterprise pricing is custom and includes advanced security, single sign-on, dedicated support, and additional compliance features. With Dialpad, teams can make and receive calls from anywhere, hold video meetings, and collaborate via messaging. For example, a customer support team can access AI-powered call summaries and automatically log notes in their CRM, saving hours of manual work each week. The platform also supports international numbers and global calling, which is ideal for distributed teams. Dialpad integrates seamlessly with tools like G Suite, Microsoft 365, and Slack, ensuring your communication workflow stays centralized and efficient. AI features like voice intelligence and call analytics help teams improve performance, identify trends, and enhance customer interactions. In conclusion, Dialpad Business Pricing reflects its value as a comprehensive communication platform for modern teams. Whether you're a startup or a global enterprise, Dialpad provides the tools to streamline communication, increase productivity, and improve customer experiences. Investing in Dialpad means smarter conversations, faster workflows, and a unified platform for all your business communication needs.